guys, how you doing? It's your girl Laviva. Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my video for the first time, please check out my channel, see my videos, and please subscribe to see more of my tutorials, my tips and tricks, and my how-tos. And to my regulars, thank you. Today how we doing a simple, easy, everyday makeup tutorial. Like a makeup you can do for your everyday look, like just a simple look, not something too glamorous, just very flawless and very easy. Now if you know you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Start by applying just a limited quantity of a moisturizer. You don't necessarily need a primer for this look, it's just your everyday look, remember. So I'm using the Cody Cosmetics brightening and toning and moisturizing lotion. So start by applying on the face. You don't have to moisturize to make your whole makeup application easy for you. Wow, then after that, entire face. Then use a lip balm. Like I use this Vaseline pink lip balm for my lips to moisturize my lips, and to make it soft and supple before applying my lipstick. So I usually do that. So I apply. So well, this is your everyday makeup look. It's something simple, you can wear to the office, you're going out, you're going to grab groceries, you're doing different things. So just like apply this. Then after that, next is the foundation. The next thing to do is to apply your foundation. Just apply a little on the back of your palm. Simply. Now, if you know you have a very flawless skin, then you can just skip the foundation part and just apply your concealer to the areas that are really needed. Well, the next thing to do is you apply your concealer. So I'm just going to be going to the under my eyes to cover my dark circles and just the edges of my mouth, and that's it. I just buff. This is a peach toned concealer, by the way. It's best for concealing the under eyes. But if you have this reddish discoloration on your face, it's better to use green color. If you have yellow covers darkness too, and other parts of your face for concealing. Lavender is really good for dullness. So for me, I use peach because it helps me to cover my dark circles. I'm just gonna then to the color of my nose. Now just to brighten my under eye. Just a little bit here. The next thing to do is to fill in your brows lightly. Just short ready strokes, nothing too extravagant or too glamorous. Using an angled brush, I'm using a gel liner by Karite to fill in my brows. Now first, you brush your brows upwards. Just lightly. Remember, it's an everyday look, so don't pencil in the entire brow. Into the edges. Using my angled brush I'm taking it down the edges. Just brush it to make it look more natural. And so you highlight and blend. Yes. Okay. So the next thing is eyeshadow, but before that, you apply the primer on the eyelid, on the entire eyelid. Just a thin layer, it's okay. Using the classic primer by the very less visible. Now I'll be using the Soft X Revolution Makeup Revolution palettes. I'll be picking a very neutral shade since it's just an everyday makeup look. So I'll use this on the eyelids. This is a medium shade, by the way. Drag through to the crease. Yeah. Now from the inner corner to the eyelid. Then on the other eye too. Very close to the lash line. Same way. Make sure to put the natural eye shape. Now to the inner corner. I'm extending the eyeshadow to the inner corner. I just want to make my eye pop. The blending brush. Now I'm going to be applying this color on the crease. This simple color. Remember, it's an everyday look. You want to look natural. This color on the crease. To the crease. A little bit above the crease. Yes. Maybe we can something like this. Tap a little onto the brow bone. Now blend together. Blend the old eyeshadow together. Okay, use the shimmer here, the light color here, the medium color here, the one on the crease, soft brown. Oh, so that's okay. I'm skipping the angled parts. I'm just applying directly on the lash line. Not the other way. I'm applying the liner on only the upper eyelid. I'm not going to be applying on the lower eyelid. This part inside lining. See, just put on my eyes and have it dirty. It's more definition with the liner. Now the next thing is the mascara. You have to be quick. It's an everyday makeup, so you really have no time to sit all day and keep applying your makeup. So brush from the roots to the top. No, I really have very less visible lashes, but at least to make a difference. I'm using the Falsies Drama by Maybelline. Push Up Drama. The other eyes too. Look at this. Now you can see that my eyeshadow, the mascara stained my eyes, yeah, the eyelids, yeah. So I'm just going to correct it by reapplying the color I used on the eyelids. Yeah, ready. I'm just gonna cover it up. Easy. It's on your eyeshadow. You just simply cover it up with the color back. I'm using the Maybelline all-in-one clear smooth powder. Using a simple powder brush. Just gonna so you keep blending. I'll be using this color, the shade of bronzer. Don't forget the three. Same. Yeah, starting from here. Now this adds warmth to your face. You just have that very natural look. To the cheekbones. I'm doing the three. Here. The edges here. Down. The other side too. Here. I'm doing it three again on the other side. Down to the edges, the hairline, down to the jaw, to the chin. Now a little bit here. Using this natural color here, this purple on the cheeks, apples of the cheeks here. So again, I moisturized my lips with the Vaseline lip balm, pink lip balm. So I'm gonna just simply line on this. Onion, in color onion, apply. No. I don't want it to be too much on the lips, so that's what I'm smacking. I don't want to reapply on the entire lips. little again. Just the middle. You just put some air for it to dry a little before. To contour your lips. Just the edges of the mouth. There's a trick I do anytime I'm in a hurry. Just under my makeup, just without the edges, so it looks flawless. Soften the edges. You can see the difference. So it's just a setting spray, a classic setting spray. Whew, whew, whew. Okay, so this is it, guys. Your easy go-to everyday makeup look. You know, the subtle lips, the subtle liner, nothing too dramatic. Mascara, brows, you know, you have to keep it down. It's just an everyday look, nothing too dramatic. Then your bronzer, your blush, very subtle blush, then your bronzer to add, you know, warmth to the face, then your foundation to continue, you know. Now you can skip the part of the foundation, it's not really necessary. We have a very even skin tone, like a flawless skin tone, but mine is not so flawless, so I had to apply the foundation. Then concealer to cover the dark circles, the edges of the mouth, or needed areas of the face. And you know, that is another the setting spray to set the makeup. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial today. Thank you for watching. So we'll see again next time. I remain your girl Laviva. Please look forward to my next video next week Tuesday. So I remain your girl Laviva. Bye.